Alright, high-tech fridge, take one. Alright, this is the fridge. And shit in it but juice. Shit to drink. Shit on this side too. I got shit to eat. I'm alright. Anyway. Got all kind of shit up here. Fridge comes with a stylus. I'll leave this side open while I'm doing my little demonstration. You can change the pen. Actually, you can write shit up here like this. You can change the color of shit that you put up here. It's even got a keyboard. You can turn on the alert, you can turn it off. You can use the brush feature, make it wide. You can change the color on it. You add colors over it, draw your own little stuff up here. Real slick like. Or you can use the eraser. Just erase it all. So that's that. Of course, you got your time and date. What the fridge is set at. You can change the settings. The water filter. But if you leave it open too long, this is what you're going to get. The door is open, so close the door. And it's got a little slot for the stylus. And that's it. Close the door, and that little screen will go out. You good to go.